Welcome to Learn English Simply channel. In this video, you will learn important English words and phrases used at the airport. This video is a part of a full YouTube video that tells an amazing story at the airport. The full video is also available as a lesson on VoiceLearn.online. You can find the links to the full video and the lesson in the description below. Now the important vocabulary. Airport. A place where airplanes take off and land. Adventure. An exciting experience or journey. Airplane. A vehicle designed for air travel. Arrival. The act of coming to a place. Baggage claim. The area where passengers collect their luggage. Boarding pass. A document provided by an airline during check-in. Check-in counter. The place where passengers register for their flight. Conveyor belt. A moving belt that transports luggage. Departure. The act of leaving a place. Destination. The place where someone is going. Flight attendant. A person who assists passengers on a plane. Gate. A point of entry to the airplane. Luggage. Bags and suitcases. Metal detector. A machine that detects metal objects. Passport. An official document that identifies a person and allows travel. Runway. A strip of land where airplanes take off and land. Security check. A process to ensure safety before boarding a plane. Suitcase. A large case for carrying clothes and personal items. Takeoff. The moment when an airplane leaves the ground. Terminal. A building at an airport where passengers arrive and depart. Arrival hall. The area in an airport where passengers arrive. Baggage cart. A cart used to carry luggage. Boarding gate. The place where passengers enter the plane. Cabin. The interior of an airplane. Carry-on. A small bag that passengers can take onto the plane. Customs. The place where travelers declare goods they are bringing into a country. Departure lounge. The area where passengers wait before boarding their flight. Domestic flight. A flight within the same country. Duty-free. Shops in the airport where goods are sold without taxes. Flight number. A specific number assigned to a flight. Gate agent. The airline staff who assist passengers at the boarding gate. Immigration. The process of entering a new country. Itinerary. A detailed plan of a trip. Jet lag. Tiredness caused by a long flight through different time zones. Layover. A short stay at a place while waiting for the next part of the journey. Overhead bin. The storage area above the seats in an airplane. Pilot. The person who flies the airplane. Terminal map. A map showing the layout of the airport. Turbulence. Irregular air movement that can make the plane shake. Window seat. A seat next to the window in an airplane. We wanted to let you know that this video is actually one of the many lessons available on VoiceLearn.online. Our free application offers comprehensive English lessons categorized by topics and difficulty levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. For example, you can choose a category like sports and a difficulty level, then access a lot of lessons. Each lesson includes a paragraph or conversation, sentence-by-sentence translations, vocabulary practice, and pronunciation feedback using advanced speech recognition technology.
Measurer.
Plus, you can listen to the text with adjustable speed and track your progress by marking lessons as
Welcome
completed.
to our beginner English.
Welcome to our beginner English lesson on common objects. Welcome to our beginner English lesson on common objects.
Exercises and activities.
He reads a book. He talks on the phone.
Introduction. Sarah was a young girl who loved adventures.
Visit VoiceLearn online to explore these features and enhance your English learning experience. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned some new vocabulary. Don't forget to check the description box for a list of the vocabulary words from this story. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you want to practice the vocabulary you learned today, visit us at voicelearn.online for the full lesson. See you next time.